Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating article about leveraging Rust and NIFs for PDF parsing within the Elixir ecosystem. It's a powerful combination, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. PDF parsing is notoriously tricky. Elixir's elegance sometimes clashes with the low-level complexities of PDF structures. This approach seems like a brilliant workaround. What's the core idea here?
The core is using Rust, a language known for its speed and memory safety, to handle the heavy lifting of PDF parsing. We then bridge the gap to Elixir using native implemented functions, or NIFs. This lets us keep the benefits of Elixir's high-level abstractions while gaining the performance boost of Rust. It's a best-of-both-worlds scenario, right?
Precisely. The article highlights the drawbacks of cloud-based solutions like AWS Lambda for this task. Network latency, increased costs, external service dependencies. It all adds up, especially when dealing with many PDFs. A native solution is far more efficient and robust, I agree.
Exactly. The author cleverly uses the Extractus Rust library, which is apparently 25 times faster than some competitors. That's a significant performance jump. They also emphasize the zero-cost abstractions aspect of Rust, meaning the high-level code compiles to highly optimized machine code, comparable to handwritten C. Amazing, isn't it?
I see. So the process involves creating a new Elixir project, adding the Rustler dependency to interface with Rust, and then generating a Rust project using mixrustler.new. The article then walks through implementing the core PDF extraction logic in Rust, using the Extractakeras library, and exposing it as a NIF for Elixir to call. Is that a fair summary?
Yes, that's a great summary. The author even points out the use of the dirty CPU schedule attribute in the Rust NIF. This cleverly handles the task scheduling, preventing blocking issues and simplifying the development process. It avoids the complexities of manual C-based NIF implementations. However,
I'm curious about the live view aspect. Why use live view for the user interface?
Live view provides a real-time, interactive user experience. Users can upload a PDF, and the results are displayed dynamically without full-page reloads. It's a perfect fit for this kind of application, providing immediate feedback. The article includes the live view code, showing how to handle file uploads, call the Rust NIF, and display the extracted text and metadata. Pretty neat, huh?
Very neat. The article also shows how to improve the presentation of the metadata using a custom Elixir module for JSON encoding and decoding. This makes the output much more user-friendly. It's a nice touch, improving the overall developer experience.
Absolutely. It's a great example of how to structure the code for better readability and maintainability. And the author doesn't stop there. They also discuss deployment considerations, suggesting strategies for building the Rust code within a CI/CD pipeline or Docker environment. They even link to a helpful fly.io blog post on deploying Elixir apps with Rust NIFs. Very thorough, I must say.
It's a comprehensive guide, covering everything from setup to deployment. And the shoutouts at the end are a nice touch, acknowledging the contributions of other projects and resources. It's a great example of community engagement. I really appreciate that.
Me too. It's a well-written article that effectively demonstrates a practical solution to a common problem. The combination of Elixir and Rust, facilitated by NIFs, offers a compelling approach to PDF parsing, providing both elegance and performance. This is a great example of how to combine the strengths of different programming languages for optimal results. Thanks for joining us today.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Until next time.